day is just great. Sparky and Timmy are just watching TV. Well, I'm just sitting here sick in my bed. Yeah, this day is just great.
Here it comes! Oh my god, this show is so funny. Hey Sparky, do you want to change the channel?
Nah, I want to continue watching this.
Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey Francesca, do you know that there are unlockable secrets in Skate 3? Yeah, I didn't know either, dude. Until I watched that epic YouTube video. And yeah, I unlocked those secrets myself. And speaking of YouTube, there's this epic YouTube channel called probably I'm gonna watch some TV to take my mind off of my sickness. What was that? Hey Timmy, can you get the door?
No, Nu-billets, I can't. I'm watching this really funny episode of my new favorite show.
Yeah, me too.
Well, great. I have to do everything myself like always. Oh my god, I have to do everything again. Oh, hey landlord.
Hello, Nu-billets. Do you know why I'm here?
I don't know.
Well, I was there with my computer and my 5 Lamborghinis. But then, I saw it. The electricity off the fucking roof, Nu-billets. And you need to pay me right now.
Oh well, how much would it be?
It's out of this world, Nu-billets. $12 million.
Oh. But is there any other way I can pay you since I don't have the money right now?
No. Cold, hard cash. By the way, may I see your house so I can find out what is the source of the electricity going like this?
Okay, sure. Come right this way, sir.
Thank you, Nu-billets.
Hey guys, quickly turn off the TV. The landlord is coming.
We're screwed.
Does he want the payment again?
No, he just requested to see the reason why the electricity is off the roof. Shut up, he's coming.
Wow, you have some pretty beautiful roommates.
Well, thank you. I really appreciate it.
You know that there's something called sarcasm, right?
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you guys a question. How often do you use that TV?
Well, we only use it like a couple of hours per day, so we don't use it that often.
How many hours? Be precise.
Probably like 3.5, somewhere along those lines.
Okay, so the TV isn't the reason why your electricity is like this.
Oh wait, now I think I realized what is the reason. Follow me, sir. Oh yeah, dude! Oh yeah! Wait, why is Nu-billets going over here? What? Nu-billets? Who is this old dude?
I am your landlord, and I have a question for you. How often do you use that console?
Oh, me, dude? That's a pretty hard question to answer. But I'm gonna say 24/7, 365. Yeah, he likes to play Xbox. Like a lot. Yeah, dude, I just can't get enough of it. Every time I wanna stop, Skate 3 says, "Oh no, dude, you're gonna continue playing me."
Nu-billets, you have 2 different options on how your electricity will go from this to this. One is kicking him out of your house, and second is to pay for the electricity.
Well, I don't have $12 million, so I guess... Wait, what, dude? Pack your bags, Lightning. You're leaving.
Oh, you shouldn't pack your bags. You need to leave now.
What, dude? Goodbye, Lightning. Okay, bye, dude. Bye, Xbox. Bye, Skate 3.
You just saved your life, Nu-billets.
Well, I guess I did. I guess goodbye, landlord.
See you later, Nu-billets. I hope we won't be able to cross paths again.
Oh, now I can sleep again.
Hey, Nu-billets, what happened?
Yeah, we heard Lightning crying.
Oh, because of the electricity bills being like this, we had to kick Lightning out of our house.
But couldn't you have just paid the bill?
Yeah, I could have paid the bill, but the problem is that the bill cost $12 million.
Oh, now I understand why you kicked him out.
Well, now at least we'll have some peace and quiet, and we wouldn't have anyone screaming, dude, dude, dude. And now I wouldn't have to waste my money on Skate 3 merch and Xbox Live.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Whatever, I'm just gonna go sleep in my room. Finally some peace and quiet. I can finally sleep.
The show ended.
I wanted to see more.
Well, whatever, we can still change the channel.
What's that? Oh, it sounds like someone's banging on our door. I'll get it. Oh, dear God.
Hello, is this person yours?
Let go of me, dude! Yeah? Why are you holding him like that?
Well, you see, some people are reported seeing a red car with lightning marks stealing Xboxes and Skate 3 games.
I'm not impressed. Can you just let him in?
Oh, okay. Now listen here, you criminal scum. The next time I'll be seeing you, don't you better be stealing or doing another criminal activity.
Okay, dude. I won't. But if I would be first out of this apartment again, then you'll see me again. You little b****. Whatever, let's go, Lightning. Hey, Nu-billets. Also, I'm just gonna say that I didn't do sh**. Yeah, Lightning. Whatever, let's just talk about this in your room. Okay, so we wouldn't have to deal with high electricity bills again. I'm gonna set a limit for the Xbox 360. A time limit. But dude, time limits are for kids, and I'm not a kid. Well, you will have one now, because you have a 2-hour limit per day.
2 hours, dude? 2 hours?
Yeah.